everyone, welcome back to Lux Life. Today we're checking out something truly special, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. BMW has taken everything it's known for, power, comfort, and modern design, and built it into a luxury home on wheels. It's made for people who love traveling, but want to enjoy the comfort of a five-star hotel wherever they go. Let's start with the outside. The 2026 BMW Motorhome looks strong, stylish, and futuristic. The front has BMW's famous kidney grille and sharp LED headlights that give it a bold and confident look. The smooth body lines and shiny chrome accents make it look elegant from every angle. It runs on 22-inch alloy wheels that keep it stable and smooth, whether you're on highways or mountain roads. Smart sensors around the body help with parking and give you a full 360-degree view. There's also a glass roof and an automatic awning, perfect for relaxing outdoors. Now step inside, and it feels like a luxury suite, not a vehicle. The seats are made of soft Napa leather with massage and cooling functions. The cabin has oak wood trims, metal finishes, and soft lighting that create a warm and relaxing space. There's a spacious lounge area with a 75-inch smart TV, a Harman Kardon sound system, and even a built-in espresso bar. The kitchen comes with everything you need: a smart induction stove, 2 mini fridges, an oven, and a touchscreen control system to manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment. The bedroom is designed for total comfort. It has a king-size memory foam bed with temperature control and a skylight so you can look at the stars at night. The bathroom looks like something from a 5-star hotel. A rain shower, marble flooring, LED mirrors, and smart water-saving features. There's also hidden storage everywhere, so you never run out of space. When it comes to performance, this motorhome is just as powerful as it is luxurious. It has a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine that works with electric motors to produce 720 horsepower. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 5.5 seconds, which is crazy fast for a motorhome. The air suspension makes the ride super smooth, and the X-Drive all-wheel system keeps it stable on all kinds of roads. You can even drive up to 100 kilometers on electric power alone, perfect for quiet, eco-friendly trips. It's also packed with safety and tech, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and even semi-autonomous driving for long journeys. The price starts around $1.6 million, and the top model goes up to $2.1 million, depending on your custom options like solar panels, luxury interiors, and off-grid systems. Overall, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is the perfect mix of performance, comfort, and freedom. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a luxury lifestyle on wheels. Thanks for watching Lux Life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing luxury vehicle videos.